Hi there, Serial Trader here. I got a request to have a look at XLM. So here is XLM versus the US dollar on Bitfinex, looking at the daily chart. Now, just a little bit of context. We had this nice impulsive run up here into the May of 2021 high, and then we've had this big correction. And now I think we're working the foundation for our next large move up, or certainly has that look currently, and let's go through that. So I view this as the initial impulse wave up of this large sequence to come. And then we had this ABC down for the 2. So we got the initial 1, 2. Now I think we're working the 1, 2 of the 3 to come. Okay, so this larger 3 to match this 1 and 2. I think we're working the 1, 2 subdivisions of that. And looks like we got 5 up for this initial 1 of 3. I'm thinking we got ABC down for A, ABC up for B, and then looking ideally for a 5 down for C for an expanded flat wave too. So if that's the case, looks like we might need just one more push down here just to spike these lows, get us a clean 5 for the finish for 2, and then we could very well be off to the races here after that in wave 3 of 3 to the upside. I mean, if we just do a fib pull, okay, so let's use that as our wave 1 top, and let me just get some fib levels to work with. Okay, so we've already basically come into that golden zone and had a reaction off of it, and that's the 618 to 65% area. Now we could certainly come down and spike the 786 level, which would line up with this being a like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of C of 2. But if we really start going to the upside and start taking out some of this structure here, we'll have to just live with this, being the C of 2, and that we're potentially already starting our large impulse wave to the upside. But so far it hasn't invalidated the idea that we need one more little push down here to finish. So really depends on your style, but I would just be looking at this as an accumulation area. Buy some here. If it goes a little higher, buy some there. If it goes a little lower, buy some there. Just start building your position in pieces in anticipation of this, large move to come. And then you know where to define your risk against, and that'll be this level down here. Okay, that prior to. And depending on the exchange you're looking at here on Bitfinex, it's let's see, 0.254 and change. So you can work with that. But yeah, this definitely looks like a nice potential setup for a big move to come. So hopefully that was helpful. And see you in the next video. Serial Trader signing off.